Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to redeem Steam keys. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Steam application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Steam if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have the store, the library, community, and your profile. In the middle of the screen, we have a tab, as you can see, where we have your search bar, your store, new and noteworthy categories, etc, etc. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and redeem Steam keys. So first of all, launch the Steam client on your computer or go to your Steam website and log into your account. Click on games in the top menu and select library. So click on games and then library, which is here, as you can see. Then click add a game at the bottom of your library page. So basically you have it at the bottom where you can go and add a game in the top bottom left corner, as you can see. Then choose active a product on Steam and enter your product key. So active a product on Steam. Then here, as you can see, you have it here. Review the game details and click finish. The game will be added to your library and you can download and install it from there. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.